It's 3 a.m. I'm awake again in the dark with the noise in my head. My body's tired, but my thoughts won't end. Every word that I've ever read, I reach for my phone, searching for color. Take my fears into the light. For a moment I feel I can breathe. Maybe now I sleep tonight. You don't have to hide. Learn how to use AI safely inside. Experienced psychotherapists will show you